Somehow, 3 of the puppies are underneath this bed. I don't know how they got under there. But it's got to be Murphy, Carly, and Lola. The bed's moving around on its own. You should see this, Rick. Oh my gosh. Where's the puppies? We don't know. We can't get out. Where are you? Puppies, come here. Can't you get out of there? Where are you? Oh, how'd you get in here? Where are... Jeez. Good grief. Well, there's 2 of you. Where's the other one? Oh, I guess it was just 2 of you. Should have known, Carly and Murphy. Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, you got stuck in there, didn't you?